In this YouTube video, you will learn how to integrate your Google Spreadsheet with ChatGPT and Drive Automation. To start the process, first we will open up our integrated Google Sheet. So to automate it, first we will click on the Outright button, and that will show us two options: Generate Answers and Enter API Keys. From this, we will select the Enter API Key button. As we will select this button, it will ask for the authorization. So to do this, we have to click on the OK button first, and then choose an appropriate email account, and finally click on the Allow button to complete the authorization process. Once it's done, then you have to click on the Enter API Key button again, and you will see that the text Running Script and Finish Script will appear on the top of the screen. Along with this, the Enter API Key field will be opened automatically in the top right corner. Consequently, you just have to fill it with your own ChatGPT API key and have to click on the Save button. If you are unaware of the concept of how to generate API key and integrate app scripts with Google Sheet, then watch out the video shown on the I button, and you can also check it from the description box. After getting it done, you have to drop your question in the Ask to AI column and have to press the Enter key to create the response. If the response to your dropped questions will not generate by pressing the Enter key, then you can use the Generate Answers option from the Outright button. For a better experience, we will put one more query in the sheet, and the response will be updated in the response column automatically just by pressing the Enter key. It denotes that you can get automated answers in the sheet in two ways. First, just by dropping your query and pressing the Enter key. The other is by clicking on the Generate Answers option from the Outright button. This sheet automation not only offers single prompt content creation, but also offers the bulk generation. For this, we will put 5 questions in the Ask to AI column together, and you can see that the responses of all the drop questions have been updated in the sheet simultaneously within their respective rows. Now, let us show you how we integrated our Google Sheet with ChatGPT. To configure it, we will click on the Extension button, and then we'll select the App Script option. Doing this, the coding section of the Google Sheet will open up to you. Therefore, you just have to paste the entire free Google Apps script code here. You can copy this entire code directly from the description box. Once you have pasted the code in the coding section, now you need to run the code by clicking on the Run button. As you will click on the Run button, you can see that the execution process has been started and get completed as well within a few seconds. Once execution has been done, your ChatGPT has been integrated with Google Sheets using free Google Apps script, and you are ready to automate it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.